Hello there, everyone at home. Welcome back to Spy Signs. Today, we'll be learning some signs related to probably the weather or the sky, stuff up there. Our first sign today is sky, as I just said, sky. This is how you do sky. Very simple, very easy. Just take one hand and as if you're pointing to the sky. 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 Remember, it's up there. Sky. Okay, I'll turn again. Sky. Our second sign is earth. And now to do this, you need to use both your hands, okay? So put one in front of you like this, and use your middle and your thumb of the other hand, and you do this. Earth. Earth. Can you see this? Earth. We live on planet Earth, right? This is Earth. Okay, our next sign is moon. That shines in the nighttime. Moon. Now you use your thumb and your index finger, kind of bring it by your eye like this, and you bring it out. Moon. Moon. Remember your thumb and your index. Moon. Moon. Again, moon. So remember we had, what was this? Sky. Very good. And then we had, what was this? Earth. Very good. We live on planet Earth. And we just did this one, moon. Wonderful. Our next sign, sun. So we did moon. Now we're doing sun. Now you make a C hand, kind of. And then you do this. Very similar to moon, right? Sun. So I'll turn again so you can see. You see hand? Sun. You just flick it out. It's maybe harder for you to see from this angle. Sun. All right? Our next sign is star. Now with star, we're using our index fingers of both hands, okay? So this is how we do star. We rub one against the other. You know, like when you have a shooting star sometimes, you do it like this, right? Star. Can you see me? I think you can. Star. So remember, it's your index finger of both your hands. Close the other fingers down, and you do this. Star. Star. Okay. Next, we have cloud, or clouds. Now for clouds, you have to use both your hands as well. Put one up in the air with your C hand, like this, and the other one just flows nicely across, as if you're forming a cloud in the sky. See that? Cloud. Cloud. You got it. Very nice. Cloud. Cloud. Okay, and guess what? Last sign for today. The last sign is worlds. We live in a beautiful world. This time we use our W hands. Remember how we make our W? The thumb and your little finger down, touching each other. And then you have your index, your middle, and your ring finger, all of them up, looking like a W. And this is what we do. World. World. So you kind of roll one over the other, kind of making a circle, circular movement. World. I'll turn so you can see. World. Again. World. World. Okay, wonderful. You're doing so well. So let's review all that we did today. The first one was this. Do you remember this? Sky. Very good. Sky. Then we did this. Earth. And remember we said we live on planet Earth. And then we did moon. Very good. And then we did this one. Sun that shines so beautifully outside. The sun. And then we did this one. What is this again? Did I hear you say star? You are correct. Star. And of course, we went next to cloud. Excellent. You're doing so well. Cloud. And the last one we did was world. Very good. World. Okay, sorry, but that's all for today. Remember, practice your signs, stay safe, and see you next time. Bye-bye.
Remember,